Friday morning, everyone. Mr. Garry and DeWalt here this morning, coming to you with our usual TGIF Friday video. We are sitting inside a very, very large excavator on site here at the old church today. And this excavator has been involved in a very, very large construction project here at the old church. And we're going to take you outside for a look around and to share with you all that's been happening here at GBL, the old church, 5-acre homestead. Say it, DeWalt, say it. DeWalt and I, we are indeed inside a very, very large excavator, and there's Clementine in the distance. The kind of work that this very, very large excavator has been involved in does require some heavy equipment, and this excavator has certainly done that. Let me take you outside and show you around, because I do have lots and lots of video clips to show you about what this excavator has been up to and what we have been up to here at the old church. We're getting ready to stake off a piece of land for our son Devon, who is way up north working and making some money, and he wants a piece of land all leveled off and made all ready for him to build a home right here next to his mom and dad, next to Mr. Garry and Mrs. Betty. So that's what we're up to today. I'm here now standing on Church Road, getting ready to stake off a piece of land, and we're getting ready to meet the heavy equipment that's arriving very, very soon, coming in this road over my shoulder. Bucketful, Devon, going in the truck. So folks, I want to show you around now and show you exactly what we've been up to and what we've managed to get done here at the old church this week. Okay, so there's the big old excavator, folks. It's been here at the old church now all week, clearing off this land. Grubbing is what they call it, where they cleared away all the trees and all that kind of stuff and carried it all away to a large pit off-site. So the land now is all ready and all smoothed off and all that kind of stuff. It's all ready now for some loads of heavy fill. Large rocks and stones have to be brought here now and compressed, and that all has to be leveled off for the foundation for a house, as well as a septic design, which is going toward the back. A septic tank and several lines off from the tank has to go there as well. So this is the piece of land for Mr. Devon, our son. He's going to be building a home right here, right next to the old church. So that's what we've been up to this week with this big old excavator here at GBL, the old church 5-acre homestead. Hope you've enjoyed this TGIF Friday video. And as usual, folks, we always thank you for joining us in these videos and all our videos. Like now to say thank you so much. You have a blessed day. Enjoy your weekend and enjoy the coming week. Stay safe, stay well. Mr. Garry and DeWalt signing out. All the best, folks.